Hi everyone, welcome back. I have something to share with you. It's a haul video from Beebeecraft. I was contacted and asked if I would like to receive some products to use and review, and I said yes. So I did not purchase this. These were sent to me to use and review and share with you all. I do have a code. It's $5 off a $40 purchase. It's Brandy5. I'll leave everything in the description box. When I went to the Beebeecraft website, I was just like, oh my goodness, it's so much stuff on there. But I picked things that for making charms and maybe some jewelry pieces and things like that. But they had these buttons, and these buttons in here, there's so many buttons. It's 100 buttons, but there's so many little different patterns and designs. Look at this. It's a reindeer, another reindeer, snowman, little Christmas tree ornament, another snowman. It's a lot in here. I think it's about 7 or 8 different designs. Candy cane, a little clown. So it's another one in here. I just can't dig it out. And they have different bells, different ornaments. So it's so many different cool things in here. And you all know that I like buttons. And they're wooden buttons, and they feel really nice. And they have different colorings on the bells, things like that. So that's going to be really cool to create with. You'll be seeing projects coming up very, very soon. Everything was wrapped so nice, very well protected in bubble wrap and things like that. I just took it all out so we can get to the goodies, but I want to share with you what those goodies are. And this is some little balls, some striped balls, you know. I like those, and these will be good. You can make some earrings with these and or bracelets, but I'm going to put them on my chunky charms and probably do a lot of sea-themed things. So you'll be seeing a lot of projects coming up real soon. And then I got these two charm boxes. When I got these and opened them up, on the side right here, it's taped down. It was taped down really nicely. Also, you have this little flip, this thing right here. So if you have yours, I have my stuff on peg hooks, a pegboard. So you can just put this, and all you really need in this is a tool. Because in this kit, you get everything that you'll ever need until you run out of supply, of course, to make charms or different things. Also, this comes apart. So, you know, if you're into storage, a lot of people that craft are into storage. Such wonderful stuff. This is a whole chain. So again, like I said, all you need is the tools, and they have everything you need on the website, you know. And this is just a long chain that you can cut off. Or if you want to wear this just by itself, you could probably just attach your charms to it and put the collapsor clasps or clasps that come in your kit with that. You also get some findings. You get some head pins. Awesome. You get some jump rings, and then you get some clasps to close all the things that you need to close. But of course, you know, I'm going to be making some chunky charms. So, and it's mostly Christmas themed, I believe. I think I chose like a Christmassy one. Has these little bells in here that will definitely jingle and annoy people when you're walking down. But I thought this would be cute to make, you know, Christmas. For my Christmas journals, I thought it would be nice to have some Christmas pieces on there. So this is a wreath and snowflake. Beautiful pieces. Nice weighted. Very good designs. You have a snowman. You have a candy cane. And I think, oh, this is so cute. This one right here is very cute. It's a stocking with snow people inside. And then you have more, just a lot of stuff. It goes and goes and goes. Trees, the manger, some bells. So very nice. Then you have Father Christmas right here. Very nice in green. And then you have some beads to go along with that. But this container is very good, very sturdy. I have some more like this in my possession. And then this again, it was taped down very nicely. So just because, you know, in shipping, but it was wrapped so nice and neat that I don't think anything could have gotten it unless someone actually opened it up to see what it was. Shipping was relatively fast. It is coming from overseas, so you know it takes a while to get shipping. But it was quick. I think I got it within 7 to 10 days, I want to say, within 2 weeks. This right here is like, wow. So look at this. So this thing is heavy. Like, it's very heavy. You would think when you see charms, sometimes you think they're going to be lightweight. This is nice weight, in my opinion. I got these, of course, because, you know, I'm going to be making a little train journal for my little one, and I think that would be cute to have on the side, a little charm. I don't know if boys actually get charms on their journals or not. It's going to be more of a book versus a journal, so it's going to have, he won't be able to write in it. And then look at all these various pieces. When I got this, I thought of travel because it has the Eiffel Tower. It has this barn right here. I think this is actually a lodge, a hotel lodge, because it has snow at the bottom of it. Can't really see. My camera's not doing it just, but it has snow. A wishing well. It has either a castle or a church or someone's house. Very cool. It also has this, I think this is definitely a church. Definitely a church, because it, you know, it has what would be stained glass windows, in my opinion at least. It's so noisy outside. I do apologize to this car. And when I say it was heavy, you know, like if you've ever played Monopoly, it's not that weight for the pieces on the Monopoly board. It's a little bit heavier than that. The world globe right here. Look at this, a boat. Like, this is a cruise ship. You're going somewhere. So this is really cool. If you have memories of where you went, a bicycle, always about travel. You're going to go on a sailboat. And then we have the Arc of Triumph that I associate with Paris. I know it's the other little arcs in other places. And but if you look really closely, you can see that they have little designs on the side, which is really cool. Really cool. Big Ben right here. I guess a windmill. I can't think of the location, but you know, I colored a picture, I colored an image with the windmills, and there's definitely a travel spot, a travel location. And then, you know, you have to take your airplane to get to all those places, right? You got to fly there, which is really cool. This is so fun. I want to say thank you to Beebeecraft for asking me if I would like to do this. Of course I would. Like to showcase some of your products. Very fun things that I hope you're looking forward to doing. This right here, you know, the little storage containers itself cost some money. So you get the storage containers along with the charms. Yay. And then we got these little stripe balls and some buttons. So leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you would like to see me do first. Would you like to see me do some charms? Maybe some earrings or something like that? Or are you going to just leave it up to me to decide? I already know what I want to make, so hopefully we can side together. I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.